Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Color LaserJet Pro M255dw or M255nw printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds and scroll down. Properties, scroll down, and here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type HP Color LaserJet Pro M255dw or M255nw. Both are same driver, and type driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. And first link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Here we find our printer name HP Color LaserJet Pro and our printer name and software and driver. Open the first link. Open the whatever first link is. Official website of the HP printer is open. Here we find our printer name. Here we find our operating system and the bit. Click at here, choose a different OS. If bit is not right or the operating system is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Select Windows. In a version, select Windows 10 32-bit or Windows 10 64-bit and click on the update. After that, this web browser is refresh or this box is refresh. After that, scroll down and find driver product installation software. Expand driver product installation software. Here we find our printer name and here we find full software solution recommended. Here we find the size. Click on the download. Click on the download. It's redirect you to the another HP official website and download is started at the top. At the top, our download is started and it's take few minutes. So be patient and wait for a few minutes depending on the speed of your internet. In my case, my download is complete. I go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file and we are going to install these files. That is very easy. Double click on it or right click on it. Click on run as administrator, wait for a few seconds and new options is appear. Click on yes and it's first unzip our files. Unzip process is started. After unzip process is complete or extracting process is complete, it's launch a set of file and welcome screen is appear on our screen. Wait for a few seconds. It's start our setup file in a few seconds. Our setup file is started. Here we find our welcome screen. Click on the continue. Here we find some options. Click on next. Click on next. Here we find terms and conditions. Accept it. Select this. Check this box. Select this box. Terms and conditions. Click on the accept. Here we find no thanks or yes. Click on no thanks or yes. I click on no thanks, no thanks, no thanks. You can click on yes also. And our software driver is installing first, then software and many other things install on our PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds to properly install these all things. As soon as these all things are installed, it goes to the next step. In this case, it's take few minutes on my case. Wait for a few minutes. Now it's ask for the automatic setup. If you want to automatic setup, then select automatic setup and click on the next. I go with the manual setup, so I click on the manual setups. I prefer to go to the manual setup. You can go to the automatic setup if you want. I click on the manual setup and click on the next. Here we find four options. First option is by using Wi-Fi. If you select this, then using your router or the network connection or the Wi-Fi connection, you can use your printer. Select this and click on the next. If you want to wired connection means Ethernet cable. Using Ethernet cable and router and multiple PC, you can use your printer also. Click on that, select this and click on the next. And if you want to USB connection, then select USB connection and connect the device to the computer using USB. Connect your PC or laptop and printer by using USB and power on your printer, and after that click on the next and install this printer driver. And last is, if you not connect your printer now, then select this, click on the next and install that drivers, and as soon as we connect our printer, it's detect our printer and install our printer. In this case I select last option, I not connect my printer. If you connect it, then go to the USB or any of these three options and go to the next and install this connection. In this case I not connect my printer, so I select connect later and click on the next. Now click on the finish, and after restarting my PC or laptop, I connect my printer, and as soon as we connect our printer, it's appear on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. So by this simple way, you can connect your printer to your PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.